Leon Bailey to return to the national team. What happened? What changed? All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining or tuning in. Just the 10 minutes to go to your day, your busy day, to come and spend that and listen to what I have to say. We already know people are going to cuss because it's another Leon Bailey video, which I expect the video to get strike again. That's what normally happens whenever I do a Leon Bailey video, even if me talk about the same topics that everyone else is speaking about. And apparently, I tend to get the backlash from it. Anyways, all right. So you guys know that Leon Bailey did take a break from the national setup, and he did outline some stuff that he needed to see done or started before we see him back into the setup. Quite importantly, his agent also came out during that same phase and re-emphasized or reiterate the importance of getting those things or those recommendations, as stated, started up before we see Leon Bailey back into the setup. Now, our Grimson selected a side where we're going to the Copa America / World Cup during that time period, and Leon Bailey's name was included, and apparently it was the wrong move by Al Grimson because it stirred big controversy. Now, due to that huge level of controversy, Leon Bailey coming out saying misinformation. The agent said, hey, this right there, never give them a go ahead. So the JFF decided that they want to suspend this election until further notice, or until, well, basically that's how they normally do it, just like with the Reggae Girls as well. And then the Reggae Girls, they came out and said, no, we're coming back. So that was solved with them. Now, some of the reasons why they suspended this election, one was because to protect him from FIFA in ASA, because if you decided you won't take a call up, or you definitely turn down a call up without it being you retiring, injury, and all these things written reasons why you can be sanctioned by FIFA, and also basically won't be able to play a particular amount of games when you return to club. All right, so let's move over from. So those are some of the reasons. But on the aspect of the JFF, one of the main reasons why they opted or went out to and they went out to do the suspension selection, the selection suspension, was because they want to protect themselves also from the controversy, from the backlash that took place when Al Grimson announced the squad. Now, in doing so, they protect themselves so that whenever they include Leon Bailey in a squad, there would be no issues. Will people come? I understand that there will be people coming in the comment section and talk about he might need up on a break. Nothing is wrong with that. If you want to go on a break, no problem at all. It's just as simple as that. If you need some time for mental health, 100% I agree. That's totally fine. But the backlash that happened was totally because Leon Bailey and his agent gave the go. Well, not Leon Bailey, but his agent gave the go ahead. And remember that, quote unquote, the agent did say that he speaks for his client. His client doesn't speak for himself. So whatever the agent says, that's how you have to happen. So things didn't went well between Al Grimson, agent, and all these things, and Leon Bailey. And the JFF came under pressure. Huge backlash, huge controversy, global controversy that JFF come under. Fine, we get past that now. Now, where selection is concerned, a lot of persons believe that, even myself, I thought that the letter would have been a written letter to the JFF stating that I'm here to come back and represent, but apparently that's not technically the case. Rudolph Speed came out recently, technically kind of clearing to hear that the coach has a decision to select who he wants, and despite certain situation. Now, secondly, the coach did came out and said that everyone has a clean slate. Everyone is starting on a clean slate. That also includes Leon Bailey. Now, the situation at hand is this. No, there technically there should not be a letter and say, but there should be some writing or email stating that I am available for selection. So let me give an example. So the JFF contact West Ham said, okay, this is the fixtures coming up for Mel Antonio. Will he be available? That letter goes to West Ham, Mel Antonio, and his handlers. West Ham will say, okay, fine. It's off season. He's not injured. These are the conditions that I want him to play. These are the conditions that I want him to play under. Fine. So that email would have gone back to the Jamaica Football Federation, so they know good. They get the go ahead from the club. Not the go ahead, not necessarily the go ahead, but the confirmation from the club of the circumstances surrounding Mel Antonio. Mel Antonio and his handlers would reply and said, okay, boom, tell me the date and time, rate, good. So that means Mel Antonio is available for selection because he's saying, tell me the date and time, we're good. Good. Now, that's what happened. That's the clarification that is needed from Leon Bailey. If the Jamaica Football Federation, because August the 6th is right around the corner, email Aston Villa no and said, good, for this international duties, we want Leon Bailey for the foreseeable future and these particular dates. Aston Villa said, good, he's fit. He would. It's an international duties. You can play him for the full 90 minutes. He's okay based on the conditions rated. Good. Now that email, that said email that the JFF sent to Aston Villa will be sent to the player and his handlers, stating that these are the dates rated. Whatever. Now, if the player does not reply, that means good. The player is not available. It is ideal, though, for the player to say, good, I won't be available for such and such reason, injury, whatever, this or that. Good. Nothing's wrong with that. That's if the player does not reply. Now, if Leon Bailey replied to the email stating that, okay, so tell me the date, rated, when we're going to commence, when we arrive in Jamaica, when which hotel, such and such. And he gave him confirmation, and he said, okay, fine, that's okay. That there is a confirmation that he will be available for selection. So that is what the Jamaica Football Federation want. Just that confirmation, that dialoguing confirmation through email so that they can verify and say, yes, he will be available. So technically, that would be the letter that the JFF want. They just want it in writing that he will be available for selection. So if he's contacted, once he reply with a thumbs up or an okay or a go ahead, or that is the confirmation that the JFF requires from Leon Bailey. Now, have they gotten the confirmation as yet? We don't know. We don't know. I personally don't know. Even though Steve McLaren said it's a clean slate, they still would need that email to be a response from that particular email from Leon Bailey and his camp, and that would be the verification for the Jamaica Football Federation and Steve McLaren that he is available for selection. Professionalism, that's how the world run. Anyways, hope that clears up some aspect of it. Many might say that boy him already sent the email. I don't know of that. I haven't got no confirmation of he replying to any email as yet. So, but we'll see how this one go. If he's in the squad, automatically would have meant that he would have replied to the Jamaica Football Federation email requesting his service for the national team for the upcoming fixtures. That would have meant that he would have given them the go-ahead that yes, he will be available for selection. Apology letter, we know where that come from. That makes sense. Man, a big man, doing what I do. Yes, we see apologize to Aston Villa fan. So be it. We could see how this one go. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully, this clarify some of the aspects or some of the things that we are wondering about. Yes, I know the context that is being used that I'm surrounding a letter, but it's not specifically a letter. It's more so about the reply in a written format. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. Glad to have you guys back watching again. And I'll see you guys again. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. Or out. Boom. Hopefully clear up some stuff for the people, you know? Try and best with it. Big up. We're out.